Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable in-ear detection for your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connex application, and if you add your earbuds to the app you will see the same menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the fourth line we have wearing detection, so this is actually all what we need. You just tap at this line and you have two options. So by default it used that when you listen to music and remove your earbuds from your ears it will pause audio and resume audio when you put your earbuds to your ears, but you can set it to only pause and without resuming, and you need to tap at the last line, or you can disable and now you will not pause it and resume it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.